Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your first day of May. And this is May 1st, 2019. It's your morning flash update. And we're sitting here about 9:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. A lot of economic news, but of course the highlight of the day today will be the FOMC meeting that ends at 1 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time, followed about 30 minutes later by a press conference. So we'll be waiting to see what the Fed does. In the meantime, we're slightly lower in the metal markets. The dollar under a little bit of pressure as we're seeing the euro continuing to get a boost from yesterday's better GDP data. We're also seeing the pound is following through today. If you take a look at the energies, you're getting that bounce I had been looking for at the end of the day review in the nat gas back towards its 18-day average of closes. Very quiet market in the crude, not much going on there. And in the grain market, as I'm looking at what's coming on here, a nice little rally ensuing in the soy and the wheat market, beans still under pressure. Corn market, maybe, just maybe, the low 350 areas starting to act as something of a bottom. I think if you try to make sense out of the bonds and notes today in front of the FOMC, I think you're going to be left behind. And remember, there's still a national holiday going on in Japan this week as the new emperor takes over, and it's a traditional holiday time now. So we've got to wait for more economic data from them down the road. Now, as we take a look at the ISM U.S. manufacturing recap, 52.8 versus 55, that's not good. Prices, 50 versus 54.3. New order index, 51.7 versus 57.4. I can go on down the road here, and it's basically a disappointing report. Construction spending, they were looking for it flat. It's almost down a percentage point. February, they revised to up 0.7. Prior was up a full percentage point. So these two numbers, as you look at them a little bit, they're showing a little softness that has suddenly shown up. Where the power jumps in and it confuses you is the ADP private payroll. Look at this. They were expecting 177,000 jobs. They got 275. And even the March is a revision up of about 20,000 jobs. Then in the mortgage market, here's another problem. We really haven't seen interest rates move that much since that one break that climbed back up maybe, I don't know, 0.5 point, 0.75 of a point, and I'm talking longer term, and then slip back down. Let me come back to where I was here. And as you can see, you're slipping in all categories, and it means people are holding back again. So we'll have to see what this does. Seeing bonds in the futures today, obviously, doing what they're doing is going to help. You know, this keeps coming up. I hit it by accident here. But to make a long story short, the way that I'm going to keep up with markets and the way that I do, and I keep it right here with me, just so you know, and this is my phone you're actually looking at, is we're able to create, and we have created, I think, the best product out there. Number one, you can see it. And I don't know about you, but most of them I look at, I got to wear glasses or magnifiers in order to see what they're talking about. Number two, it's voice activated. Number three, my videos. As soon as you have this and I publish a video, you get a push notification, not a text. The better part is it costs nothing. You're not sitting there with those. News throughout the day coming into it, streaming, all the types you want. Chart action. You're going to see things you haven't seen. We've built a mobile product for those that are futures traders. It's that simple. And it's much more than just a quote or a simplistic chart. It's way beyond that. First of all, the voice feature is great. You're driving down the road and you say, QT, play my quotes. Boom, away it goes. And you set up your own quotes files that you want it to play. It'll repeat over and over. You can stop it. You can say, I want to see a chart of July corn. It'll bring it right up for you. So how do you get it? Number one, it's free for you to give it a try. Call us. You can also go to our website. Any of you that get my subscription services, this is included in all of them. So I think you'll find this interesting. So be sure to do that. You can always click up here. Just go to our carousel of free offers, QT Market Center, mobile, and the other. You can try both out, and I think you'll find it very interesting. But what we find, people, once they get hooked on this, they stay there because they're able to see so much affecting the futures. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good day. I'll be on Bloomberg at 9:50 this morning. I'll have this posted just before then. Take care.